The long-spined sea urchin, also known as the lime urchin, the black sea urchin, or by its scientific name Diadema antillarum, is a marine echinoderm found in South Floridian estuaries, fringing patch, barrier, and artificial coral reefs around the western Atlantic and Caribbean basin, seagrass beds in close proximity to reefs, hard-bottom communities, and occasionally in mangrove forests. Unlike their cousins, the Diadema cytosum, who are reef killers due to their insatiable appetite for coral polyps and their invasive niche in parts of the Atlantic, the long-spined sea urchin is an herbivore, and one of the most important herbivores in the South Floridian coral reef ecosystems. They play a crucial role in preventing algal overgrowth on coral colonies, which would otherwise block zooxanthellae's photosynthesis and prevent coral polyps from reproducing. Thus, they are one of the most vital primary consumers in many Caribbean and South Floridian reef ecosystems. Long-spined sea urchins are preyed upon by triggerfishes, wrashes, grunts, and other species of bony fish, as well as certain venomous gastropods, crabs, lobsters, and even some of their echinoderm cousins like the cushion star. Echinoderms are the taxonomic phylum that includes sea urchins, starfish, brittle stars, sand dollars, cucumbers, feather stars, and sea lilies, and first evolved as far back as the Cambrian period.
It's the Cambrian explosion.
Over 500 million years ago, and are recognizable by their typical 5-point radial symmetry. However, they are bilaterally symmetrical in their larval stages, which makes them the second largest group of deuterosomes after chordates, the phylum that we belong to. Long-spined sea urchins have not been evaluated by the IUCN. However, unlike the star spider, where this lack of evaluation was a good sign due to the species abundance, long-spined sea urchins are likely threatened or even endangered due to the toll humans have been taking on their coral homes. Due to anthropogenic climate change, oceans are warming, causing corals to expel their zooxanthellae symbiotes. This leads to them losing their color and vital energy in the process known as coral bleaching. Coral stress is further exacerbated by ocean acidification, weakening their limestone skeletons, as well as marine heat waves, coastal human developments, chemical, plastic, and nutrient pollution, destructive fishing, overfishing, marine shipping, and damage from careless tourists. If that weren't enough, invasive species like lionfish and the crown of thorns starfish are enacting further irreparable damage, and all of this turns coral reefs into mass graves and leaves long-spined sea urchins without their mutualistic partners/homes that they co-evolved alongside. Because of this, long-spined sea urchin populations have been collapsing in recent years, but all hope is not lost. Unlike many other marine species, long-spined sea urchins have been very successful in reproducing in controlled environments like aquariums, fisheries, and laboratories. This has led to efforts like those at the Orca Bay Bay Fish Sanctuary in Jamaica and two inland nurseries in Puerto Rico run by Stacey Williams, where these prickly little babies are reared under ideal conditions before being released into the newly restored reefs. In short, while the story of the Diadema antillarum is a sad one, there is a chance for a happy ending thanks to the amazing work of marine biologists, marine environmentalists, and marine ecologists. Thank you.